Welcome to the Eye Overview. My name is Cap. Welcome to the Blue Shade series, where we learn to face our shadows. And then, once we face our shadows, we integrate them, and then we become better. This video is the breath work, hypno meditation part of it. So you can skip to this number here and just hop in there. If not, this is the video. You can watch it here.
Yeah, let me put these lighthouses in place. Do shades.
What the fuck? I can't move. I can't move. What is going on here? Welcome to the shadows. This is your first time becoming aware of us, and we're bound to stop you in your tracks when this happens. The shadows are here. The shadows. The what? What the fuck is happening? The shadows. They show up at any point in time during our lives. And sometimes they show up as a storm. But it's time to clean ship. The only way to get rid of shadows is by becoming aware of them. And we are strong enough to face the shadows. We are strong enough to become aware of the shadows. We are strong enough to shine light into the darkness. The way to detect them and the way out of this journey is one and the same. It's all about breathing. Now, are you ready? Focus both eyes on my fingers and inhale and exhale. Inhale again, and you should feel the top of your eyelids start to get heavy, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. And at some point, they'll get really heavy. And you'll just want to close them. Inhale. And go ahead and close your eyes. And exhale. Now, I want you to imagine that you're sending a wave of relaxation from the top of your head all the way down throughout the tips of your toes. And inhale. Hold it. And exhale and relax even deeper. Now I want you to become aware of your breath and become aware of your breathing and how slow it's starting to go as your diaphragm is expanding. Let it feel like a wave of relaxation. And as you focus on your breath and imagining your body relaxing, I'm going to count down from 20 down to 1. And each number as I count down, you will get more and more relaxed. and comfortable. 20, 19, 18, as you're starting to relax your head. 17, relax your neck. 16, relax your torso. 15, 14, 13, relax your hips. 12, go ahead and relax your legs. 11, 10, 9, relax your feet. 8, become aware of your breath. 7, 6, 5, going deeper and deeper. 4, more relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. Completely relaxing and allowing yourself to just let go. Now, while you're listening to my voice, and if you follow my instructions, you will feel yourself learning about your breath and the amazing power that you have by simply breathing. Now that our mind is slowed down enough, we can communicate with ourselves and talk to ourselves. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Sometimes we are faced with shadows in our life. They show up unexpectedly without us ever becoming aware of when they are showing up. But when they do show up and we lose a sense of ourselves, we can remember who we are and what we are fighting for by simply becoming aware of your breath. Breathe in and exhale. These shadows that we face comes with a slew of emotions, which at some times feels uncontrollable, like waves crashing against a boat. Breathe in. Breathe out. You see how relaxing that breath is. That breath allows you to come back into a sense of yourself. So when you feel that your world is rocking back and forth because of the waves, I want you to slow down. Take a deep breath and breathe. Now, I want you to really focus on your breath for the next 5 breaths you take. And just feel how much clarity you can have to just focusing on your breath. Begin. Good job. Now you are focusing on your breath. And even in your life right now, all of the things you have going on, you are able to push them all outside of yourself and simply focus on your breath. Practice this often because this is your key to flowing through the storm. Now, when I count to 3, you will open your eyes feeling refreshed, feeling relaxed. 1, you're starting to feel the energy flow through your body. 2, your consciousness is coming back. You feel a sense of relaxation and restoration. And 3, open your eyes. Welcome back. Practice this often, daily. And you'll start to grow your awareness to your breath. So no matter what shadow you are facing, you can breathe your way through. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's set sail because you're going to see.